Check. We here. Now, got about one or two people that keep telling me to do this. I say I'm gonna do it. Here it go. The thing about my locksmith reactions, they don't be getting a lot of views, even though he rap better than people. It's weird. Guess he just one of those underrated, you know what I'm saying, underappreciated artists. Me, I'm a battle rap fan before hip hop. I watch more battle rap than anything. So me knowing that he can hang with legends in a battle rap scene, I got like a tremendous respect for Locksmith, probably more than most people do. King Crooked, we already know about him. Other than that, though, y'all say that both of these guys is going ridiculously crazy on here. Let's hear it. And of course, seeing what Locksmith just did, it's kind of hard to go against him. Even up against King Crooked, I got Locksmith taking this. You know what I'm saying? That's just my prediction, but let's see. Gonna be tough to compete with that. Let's get it. What do we have here? It's hard to say on first listen, but what my ears is telling me is that King Cricket slightly edged out my guy Locksmith. You know what I'm saying? But they both killed it, man. There was a good ass collaboration, crazy beat. Locksmith can hang with it just showing me now that you can put Locksmith on a song with anybody and he gonna be right there. He hanging in there with King Crooked. You know what I'm saying? Even though I thought he was gonna get out on him, got King Crooked. I think King Crooked handed it to him. But still a crazy verse, but I had to listen again, man. I don't know because Locksmith did kill it. It's just hard to say, man. It's really just hard to say. Crazy song though, man. Other than that though, 100 more reactions I gotta do today. And it might be some more King Crooked. We'll see. I'm out.